You delete rows from your source data, but the old values still show up in your pivot table filters. Why? Because Excel remembers them, unless you tell it not to. Today I'll show you how to stop that from happening. These ghost entries show up in filter dropdowns, slices, and reports. Right-click anywhere inside the pivot table. Open the Pivot Table Options dialog. Switch to the Data tab, and then change number of items to retain per field from automatic to none. Click OK, and then refresh. Sometimes you may need to close and open the workbook. And that's it, the old data is gone from your filter dropdowns. By the way, in the newer Excel versions, you can update default so the settings applies to all future pivot table. Here is how. Click the File tab, choose Options. In the Excel Options window, go to Data. Under Data Options, click Edit Default Layout. Click the Pivot Table Options button, and in the new dialog, go to the Data tab and change number of items to retain to none. Click OK 3 times to close all dialogs. Now every new pivot table starts with a clean slate. No more annoying stale filters. And if you are working with multiple pivot tables across your workbook, you can check the macro below in the description. Got another pivot problem? Drop it in the comments. I might feature it next. See ya!